Let's go. Starting to snow a little bit. Wind's blowing. Here's the Petro. Trash and shower back. Go take a shower. I'll probably eat breakfast here.
Attention professional drivers. Driver number 103, shower 5, is now available.
Shower 5. Restaurant to open. Chilling by the fireplace. Already took a shower, shaved a little bit. It's the restaurant right there. Well, I was gonna use the machine and show y'all how to redeem points for cash to use at the restaurant, but I couldn't find my card, so I ended up just paying for it. And then finally I found my Ultra One rewards card in my jacket pocket afterwards. But they have a shop in here, Mr. Tool and Knives, and I got some extra fuel filter wrenches and fuel filters and stuff like that, so I've been needing a wrench for my truck. So he had 2 of them, but he said I don't want to do a return, so you can go and check which one you need if you want before you buy it. So I was like, all right, cool, I'll do that. Look at the little doggy. Yeah, but I was like, yeah, I just don't want to take it. You might think I'm going to run off with it. So how about I give you $70 in cash, you hold it, and I'll take them outside and check. He was like, no, you can go outside and check. You don't have to leave me money. I was like, nah, it's okay. I'll feel better if I leave you money. That way you know I'm not going to run away with it. So I'm going to check which one of these filters fits which one of these wrenches fits my filter. Go back inside and get it from them. So that way I have it on the road in case I need it. So let's go ahead and check which one we need. Well, there's the fuel filter. So this one is way too small. I'm going to say it's probably this one. And this one is too small. So I guess we need to get a different one. Let's try to measure it and see. We got our $70 back that we put on hold to go try out the wrenches. He didn't ask for 70, but I gave him 70 because it was 2 wrenches. But basically, I paid $37. That's with the tax and everything for this wrench. So we got one in case we need it on the road, which I don't see me ever needing one right now, but you never know in the future. I try to stay out of the really, really cold areas like North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Oregon, Washington, like stuff like that. So I don't have to worry about my fuel freezing or gelling up, or I use a diesel anti-gel too, so Anyways, let's get to driving. You always want to check this right here because you never know when somebody can pull your pin. So it's like a little bar that goes in front of the shank. You'll see like how the bar, it goes all the way across. You just want to make sure it's locked in there. If you don't, when you pull off, your trailer will fall. So always check it. Don't matter if you stop for 5 seconds.
Mostly cloudy after midnight.
Listen to the weather.
10 above. West wind 5 to 10.
But right now it's 24 degrees.
Mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of snow showers in the
And we're about to go to the next stop.
west wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy.
262 miles, so roughly around 4 hours and 30 minutes. So
West wind around 10 miles per hour.
let's go ahead and
Partly cloudy.
start driving. Right here I had tight space, had concrete ramp and fence there, and truck on my left side and truck on my right side. I just pulled up right in between them because that was the best angle I had to back up the trailer and truck. So I almost got it perfect the first time, but it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna have to pull it out to open the doors anyway. I just wanted to back it against the wall. That way I don't have to worry about anybody opening my doors. And I just ended up dropping the trailer off, and then Bob telling to go to Cheesecake Factory down the road at a mall to get some dinner.